What's the level? What's the life? What's the level? What's the life? Back outside, we out here at Lofa's album launch. No song out right now. And right now, I'm chilling with.
Just bheki bafethu sanibonani wesinqonqweni kwamashu voila la
Hayi wemzala kanti umenzana umfazi wami nenkonzo yasekameleni angisayitholi.
How's it been going, Paul? To see you outside supporting another hip hop artist, it means a lot. How do you think it's important for SA hip hop artists to show love to each other?
I don't even think it's for SA hip hop artists, madam. It's for ama-artist wonke bethu sithi sisuthu kamuka bethu kumele sisupportane in order for us to go forward, yabo. Ngiyazi ukuthi sometimes bethu kuba nzima ukusupport omunye umuntu, especially if wena unesifiso sokuba la ekhona. Kodwa umsupporta ngoba kusasa wena uzobuya lapha nawe uzoyidinga support yakhe. So sibamsaneni bafethu, let's push each other, let's go forward.
So I've been tapped in now Facebook, now Instagram. You've been doing this behind the story, sharing content. How do you think it's important for artists to do this type of content? Not just music kuphela, but uchazela abalandeli bakho ukuthi umculo uphume kanjani, kuyenzakaleni, kubaleke kanganani ukuyenza kanjalo.
I think it's important because above us, the general public abazi ukuthi music uhlanganiswa kanjani and what happens behind the scenes. Bathola sonyamalele maybe for 3 years bengazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, but they need to know what happened in order for you to unyamalala, yabo. Because at the end of the day sabantu nathi saphila. If I don't have money ukuthi ngigawule mele ngihambe ngiyahasila something ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngibadeliver content fresh and all those things. So it's important, tell your people ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yakho. If you have fans khona bazokwazi ukuthi bakusupport even when you're going through a struggle.
So to clear the rumors out there, when ni Cash Time Life or ni Skanda nje sihlangene akuna beef konke kusahamba kahle.
Mngana akuna beef because I think unfortunately ngifike late, ngifike very stable sesizovala yabo. KO velo sisalisa phansi wasitshela ukuthi financially stable right now is not making money for him. So angacela ukuthi asidedele yabo azame something else. Yeah, sure. So that's what happened yabo. Even though vethu nabengakafiki le peak bengifuna ukufika kuyona, but it happened and I'm a G ngumchita vethu kumele accept ilife yephambili.
So anyways to uLofa Mabulala, since uphumile vele ukuzomsupporta, yini into ongafisa ukumtshela yona uMabulala?
Akhohlwa nkabi yami ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi ungenhla yabo bafethu lento yenzayo, just stick to it vethu, babulale ngeconsistency vethu, nesiphiwo sakho vethu singenhla nkabi yami khuphuka. All the best vethu.
Ngiyabonga nkabi yami. Ngiyabonga. God bless you.
It's 100%.
Danko. Sure.